This is the elevator at 211 something. I don't remember the name of the street. In Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, there's a wheelchair lift right there. There's a Schindler, Garaventa, Schindler 330A fan resistant. This building was recently renovated, but this elevator's from the previous use. Up to 2, installed in 2003. Here you go up. There's a non-van resistant lantern, van resistant everything else. Here are 2. I think this floor's faking. Back down to 1. There was an old freight over here, but sadly it was removed during the renovations recently. Certificate not when this was installed before. Again, like I said, just installed in 2003. It's a basic fake wooden Schindler elevator, laminate cab. The wheelchair was installed during the renovation. Here, back at 1. It's actually a pretty fast elevator. I think this might be a code of 3 crossings, but I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, Factory 26, that's what this is called. And I think it is a code of 3 crossings. They're close enough it's going to be at.